Trying to get a little bit in a little B spot. We probably could have took this pot off, but I just worked with it.
I think it was loose. That's the same one. It was really loose.
Oh, really?
I never even got it on there to start.
So I didn't put it on very good.
Someone, whoever did it.
Well, good thing these fuel pumps aren't that expensive, or not used to be. Right.
Sure it is.
So what we can do is take this here and put on there. And where's the little holy doody? Yeah, see, this thing is tight as whistle dick. So,
oh, let's see. Look at that. Is that rubbing there?
No, that has nothing to do with it. Okay. So what we'll need to do is take the lines off, and we'll take these bolts apart and see what we got going on there.
Take this line off here? Or just take these?
All we need to do is take these lines off so we can take it apart, and we'll take it apart and we'll see what's inside here, why it's not working. What size is that? An Allen wrench? You got any Allen wrenches?
No, not on me.
So I'm gonna go back and get some Allen wrenches.
It's hard to put this one in the hole.
Yeah, they're both kind of hard no matter which way you do it. So if you go, and I can try to turn it if you want me to, or pull it out and see which way the hole is in the first place. Yeah, can't tell.
No. This one just...
See if you can get it in the hole of that shaft, and then you can turn it. You know what I mean?
Get in the hole.
Where's that? Are you on the shaft yet?
I think so.
I mean, you're off some, because otherwise it's trying to turn it as it's...
Yeah, it does.
It's working. Put the wires back down in there because we don't need them back out. Put our fuel lines on.
Or do we want to not do that right now just to see if it turns?
It turns. I tried it.
I
put the fuel lines on it because the fuel's not going to. It's not going to blow fuel in it because this here keeps it from blowing fuel in it. But that way we'll see if the fuse is going to blow or not. See if we did a lot of work for nothing, or we're going to see